Today we're going to be doing our third video, and we're going to be making these last two functions here for the def reset click and this generator click here. Let's zoom in a little to this. All right, get that a little bigger. And all right. So let's just go ahead and get this generator click done. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a variable. We'll call it, set characters, let's call it chars. And we're going to make a string. We're going to call it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We're going to do capitalize as well. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And we're going to put the numbers in there. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not 10. Then we're also going to put like there we go. Well, maybe we'll leave that off. Now, next thing we're going to do, we are going to make a for loop, so we can loop through these characters in the string right here. So I'm going to say for I in range 0. We'll make the length of it 14 characters long. All we need to do, I actually forgot to do something. To make a variable, we'll call it, excuse me. Let's go down here and let's go up one. We'll call it password equals, let's have an empty string. Now we're going to say password plus equals random dot choice all right, and notice that that random there, and this needs to actually go over how it's squiggly there. We need to actually import random. Okay. Now, then we're going to go outside of the loop, and then we'll say password entry dot insert and we'll go at the beginning of the string and password. All right. Now if I run this, it should generate a password. Just make up a, now let's generate the password. There we go. I have a 14 character random password there. Let me just delete it. Let's try it again. And then we're just going to submit that. If we look at our data.json, and there it is. And hopefully it makes sense what how this is working. With that password entry.insert, it's going to be inserting this see this is an empty string here, and doing the plus equal, the random dot choice is grabbing these randomly. And it's pretty much appending it to the string right here, the password, and then we're going to insert the password into right up here. So now let's go ahead and do this reset. This is the easiest one. All we need to do for that is just type company entry dot delete. I'm gonna go 0 to end. Then we're gonna say password entry dot delete 0 to end. And we'll go my label dot config and text equals, there we go. Now this should all work. Let's just start it again. Let's just, we'll type in, I always say, I don't know, let's just do something else. BBB, generate password, submit. Now let's search for it, BBB, search. There it is. I want to get rid of all that. Let's just click reset. So now everything is working just fine. So this is pretty much my app I created. Like I said, it's nothing pretty, but does work. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how you can package all this into a distributed, so you can distribute the app. And you don't necessarily need to like try to give it to people, but it is nice as having an icon that you can just click on to run it. Anyway, if you want me to make a video on that, let me know. Anyway, I hope you like this video, these videos, and thank you.